Hello, Assalamu alaikum, all viewers and dear students. I hope you all will be good. Today we are proceeding the next MCQs question number 66. We have done from question number 1 to 665. So now question number 66, if 1 by A, H and 1 by B are in harmonic progression, then the harmonic mean, what will be the harmonic mean? We know between two numbers H M is equal to 2AB divided by A plus B. But here in replace of A we get here 1 over A and B 1 over B, and here we get 1 over A plus 1 over B. So now we are taking multiply to each other, we get 2AB, and taking LCM here B plus A divided by AB. AB and B are cancelled, we get 2 divided by A plus B. So we check the answer. B is the correct answer in this question. B are any harmonic progression, then the harmonic mean between two AB. So automatically we know that the formula of harmonic mean between two numbers 2AB divided by A plus B. So there is no change. So correct answer is B, is C is the correct answer. Similarly, question number 68, arithmetic mean between 1 over A and 1 over B is what? According to the formula between two numbers, arithmetic mean, but here is the reciprocal of 1 over A and reciprocal of 1 over B. So first of all, we have the formula for the arithmetic means between two numbers A plus B divided by 2. But here the points, the number are given 1 divided by A, so we can write 1 over A plus 1 over B divided by 2. So here we take LCM. LCM is AB, B plus A divided by 2. So if we have A plus B, we can write AB and divided by 1, 2 divided by 1 we can write. If we change division into multiplication, we can write 1 divided by 2A. So A plus B divided by 2AB. Correct answer here A plus B, and correct answer is A is the correct answer. A1 plus D, A1 plus 2D up to 7 plus A1 plus N minus D plus N A1 N D. This is arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression is given that, so here if we put n is equal to n plus 1, the last term arithmetic progression must be equal to here n plus 1. The last term will be equal to of this term is n plus 1. So we can write the general term n plus 1 is equal to a1 plus nd. So the last term is this one is an plus 1. So we check the answer. An plus 1 is, say, B is in the correct answer in this question. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel.